All right, we got the Jake Paul W original body spray. I got this at Walmart. At the Walmart. The deodorant. Let's do the spray. What about this one? Original W. Let's do the original. Smell it. Woo! Woo! Clicked it open. What we're going to do is I got like a tissue here. I'm going to give it a spritz. Oh, there we go. I'm going to really give it a spritz. But, all right, we'll go shove some of this into Headspace tube and test the Headspace GCMS. There it is. Taking up that W original in the back trap there. Heating it up at 60 degrees, evolutize more fragrances and such, and then it's going to inject it. On the G's. Alright, so this is the W. It is not super complicated. You know, it's not a high-cost fragrance, so you'd think... so the first little peak, I think it's in like ethanol or something like that as a solvent, and I'm not seeing that because I let it dry, but I am seeing dimethyl ether. So there's another carrier solvent. This is the methyl ether, or better known as a wood ether. Let's go ahead and search some wood ether. I'm not seeing anything bad about the wood ether. This is dimethyl ether. It's one of the simplest. It is the simplest ether. You can see there's the ether, and it's just got a methyl on each side. So it's basically as simple as you can go. Not a whole lot. Niche application that's kind of cool is it's like a freezy spray. So it's going to be super cold if you sprayed this stuff on yourself because of that ether in there. It's basically just like old school, it's a refrigerant. No clue why it's there. Maybe some sort of some sort of propellant, vapor pressure, you know, helps vapor pressure spray this stuff in a specific way. So that's my guess why that's there. So now on to the actual fragrances. The first major fragrance that we're seeing in this thing looks like this. And when you open it up, it is limonene. And limonene is a lemon smell. It's very common. Also kind of like an antiseptic. It's used in cleaning solutions as well. Lots of food uses for it. All right, and then the next largest smell out here at 821. Let's try to click on that. All right, so this looks like a synthetic. It's got that tert-butyl cyclohexyl acetate. That is called green acetate. We've found this thing before in many, many products. Fragrance. It's kind of a fruity, woody, green apple herbal. It's got these kind of like woody notes to it. And it changes. It's really well known to change over time and be really pervasive and have like a strong smell to it. And it's pretty cheap. And it's super common. I see it everywhere. And that seems to be the main Verdox. So main fragrance is this OTBCHA Verdox. Green acetate. Makes perfect sense. That's just what it smells like. All right, good stuff.